Hello everyone, welcome to my video. This video is about downloading and installing Python into your system. So this is going to be a short video and I will do the step-by-step explaining and you guys follow me through. So let's start. You need to go to your Chrome and then you would say download Python. The very first link you would see is from the Python company itself. So we'll say download Python and it's going to give you this yellow big button, which is mostly the latest version. And it also tells you which kind of laptop this is for. I have Windows, so I'm going to choose this. If you have Mac, you click here. If you have Linux, you click here. These are the different operating systems. I am on Windows 10, so I'm going to go here. I'm going to say download Python. And as you can see, there is a file which got downloaded. So I'm going to click on that. Now, in your system, if you don't see this file downloaded, then you might have to go to your folders and you have to go to your download folders and then you would see this file. But for me, it was here, so I'm going to click here and I'm going to select this checkbox here. It tells me to add the path to the Python exe because I want my computer to recognize Python when it got installed. If you don't check this box here right now, then you have to do it manually to update your environmental variables later. So I wanted to avoid that, so I'm going to select it here and then I'm going to say install now. It is asking me for the permission to make changes to my computer, and since I want to install it, I'm going to say yes. And there you go. The setup is in progress. It is doing its stuff. It is downloading some files, making changes to my system so that it recognizes Python and we can finally run our code in Python. So after you install Python, you might be thinking which development environment I should use. There are many tools available. Many are free as well, and for some you have to pay. But there is one tool which actually gets downloaded with the part of this installing. So when you install Python, IDLE itself comes with it. So as you can see on my screen, the setup was successful. So we are good. I'm going to press OK. Now I'm going to check if the Python is installed correctly or not. For that, I'm going to type cmd in my run command and then click on command prompt. And I'm going to put Python here and press enter. So as you can see, it's showing me the version of the Python I just installed. 3.11.3, which is great. Yay, we did it. So I want to say hello to this Python. So let's say print hello. Here you go. It is installed. Now you can code here or you can just search for idle in your system, which is a part of this installation. So you'll see this idle. You click on this and it's going to open a development environment for you, which you can use for learning Python. And here I'm going to show you how we can type the command. Hello idle, and you press enter and there you are. Hello idle. Yay. Okay, so I have a folder here where I have a Python file created, as you can see. So I'm going to go to the idle and I am going to open the same file which I saved in my folder, which is this. And how do I run this code? I just go into run and I say run module. And there you go. My code is running. So it's easy peasy. I would see you guys in my next videos where we'll continue to learn Python. But this was the first step. Installing Python, installing the IDL, and run the basic first command, which is print hello. And we did it. So congratulations. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.